This is a great question. Do templates on Squarespace 7.1 matter? They're offering better customization than 7.1 than 7.0. So we get started with any template and get going. I 100% agree. If you are DIYing, I would find the template that has a flow that best matches your vision for your site. How do you know what your vision is? Don't start designing your site until you've sat down. Cassie, you know what I'm going to do?
Mm-hmm.
With your notebook, away from your computer. You will also need the other tool you will need. These are the tools you need. And then, so sit down and go to a different room than where your computer is. I'm not kidding. And start making a list of everything you need on your website. Need the things that will help you reach your business goals. Mm-hmm. Write it down. Prioritize. Go look at the templates and try to match up where those things are that you're like, yep, that is something that is going to make me reach my goals. So if you're a podcaster, obviously starting with one of the podcasting templates would make the most sense. If you are I'm trying to think, like a consultant, there's about 8 million templates in the template store that are basically geared towards consultants. If you're a law firm and you are, you need the sort of traditional homepage flow of here's our difference, here's how we help, here's who we are, here's social proof. There is a template that follows that format.
Yeah.
So really think. So don't look at the fonts. Don't look at the colors. No. Don't look at the pictures. Look at how the structure of that is. And if it matches as closely as you can to what you've laid out. And then you can start kind of popping things in and rearranging, but give yourself a good starting point.
I think we should call the word not templates, but design. So templates is
they should call them designs.
Design or theme. One of my top blog posts, and it's still a top blog post in my new analytics, is my 2-step guide to choosing a Squarespace 7.1 template. That's a thing. And because I know that, because my whole article is about how you don't need to choose. So I think there's a couple of links in there that don't work because I haven't done that part of the post-launch. I have a big post-launch checklist to go through, so there might be some broken links in there. But that helps people see that it really, what you're looking at is all the templates are the same. You can do all the same things with them. It's just like Sarah said, if you know what the flow is and how you want to present yourself. Just pick one that is close.
Don't look at those designs until you are really sure of what you need to have on your website.
Yeah.
People start with design. And it's funny because when I do like discovery calls with potential clients, like we do this quick 15-minute like get to know you calls, and they're almost always confused why I'm not asking them about what they want their site to look like. And it frankly, that is the last thing I ask. I want to know your goals. I want to know what your backstory is. I want to know who your audience is. I want to know what your big mission is.
Yeah.
If you can't answer those questions, you're frankly not ready for a website. You should just book a strategy session with me and we'll figure those things out. And that sounds obnoxious, but you will not have a success story if you aren't clear on those things.
Yeah.
You will struggle.